It's Unmasking the Horror tour day. I gotta represent my favorite house. We're about to unmask the horror. Yay, it's hot. Some cute costumes. We are ridiculously early. We got Frankenstein cake. Very fitting. So you can't film on the Unmasking the Horror tour, which we did today, but you are allowed to take pictures. In rooms that are pictures up, that's acceptable. Some rooms, or what our tour guide, Zach, who was amazing by the way, shout out to him. He gave us an awesome tour, told us so much. Like, the tour even ran longer than it was like supposed to because he was so amazingly in depth. But some rooms are pictures down. So I will put in some of those pictures that I was able to take here. Hello from the Hard Rock Cafe. Woo! We just did Unmasking the Horror. It was fantastic. We did the 3-house tour. Love that it was all originals. Amazing. Mask? Night 2. Night 2. It's just a video. Oh my gosh. Did you tell we didn't go back to the hotel to freshen up or change? Oops. Oh, Jack's over here. Jack's out.
What's up? You're too short to ride any of the good rides. You're too short for any of those kids. You got any videos?
I kind of want a selfie with Jack. We've hit 3 houses so far on night 2. Beetlejuice for the first time. I feel like people are underestimating Beetlejuice because I heard it wasn't very good and it was probably the most fun. And we did Puppet Theater, which was even better the second time. And we summoned the Pumpkin Lord. So have you changed your mind about your favorite?
I don't know. I have to think about it.
Big plane. Oh, there's Jack! Again!
Move along for you. You're a scary person. What are you talking about? I'm not
On a screen lighting. We just got out of Icons, which was awesome because Julian was on the throne, as he should be. We did case files again after doing the Unmasking the Horror tour earlier, and it all makes sense now. It's a good house. That's a good house. And we got the nod from Boris.
For this, you realize your death is in action. Hear that breeze, see that whisper wind. Something from childhood, something you know.
Woo! Fire! We got snacks, and the Beetlejuice song is in my head. Oh, my feet hurt. But wow, what a great year.